Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing ALDI's Stirling heat pump dryer 8 kg capacity, and this is currently in the market for $599, and this is the Stirling brand, and which I never heard, and there are few other products in the market and I was a bit hesitant to buy or no, but because this is ALDI's product and they are giving 3 years in-house warranty, so this machine $599, and for 3 years the cost will be, if you are using this machine every day, it will be 55 cents per day. And further, this machine has 7-star energy rating, so which is pretty good. And if you see and compare the prices of other heat pump dryer in the market on different stores, then the price start from $900 and it goes up to $2000. So that way it is pretty reasonable in price, and looks like a feature wise also it has all the features. So let's see what's inside the box, how the machine looks inside. I will be showing you further. Let me see how the machine looks inside. So this is the machine from inside, and this is the selection control panel, and this is the screen for the commands, and this is the power button, start and pause button, and this is the cleaner filter, and very nice 7-star energy rating. And this is the machine from the back side. Machine comes with the following items. As you can see, this is the ALDI's warranty card for 3 years warranty in house, and this is the instruction manual from Stirling, and this is the pipe. If you want to put up a hose pipe for the exit of water, you can use that, but otherwise here you can see this is the water dispenser. Every water will be collected here and you can make it empty after the use. And on the door there is a cleaner, so you have to, so this is the filter, so you have to clean that after every use. And here also, this is the another filter which you need to clean after each use. So it is clearly saying clean the door lint after each use. So you just have to twist the knob, so like this and like this, so it will come out. So So you have to clean that, and here is the vent for the hot air. So it's a very nice and reliable product. If you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell icon and share this video and leave any comments. Thank you.